Hi, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be finishing off this sea white plein air sketchbook. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on and show what I've been up to for the last couple of weeks and today's sketch, which will be in here. Cheers. And that's the last page here. One last page. Get on with that now. Like that, ready to go. Right, so that's my little impression of that tree line up there as it goes up the slope in these woods. And I've just, to finish off, added in these areas of sort of green where it's sort of ivy and bracken mingled in with the autumn leaves. I wasn't going to put them on because I quite liked it before, but I'm glad I did because it's definitely improved it. Yeah, that's the impression of that, isn't it, Basil? I've got 3 yellows, like a couple of lemon yellows, there's a cabin yellow, a couple of reds, a cool red, that's the cabin red I think, there's a cool red in there somewhere which I don't really use very often, and a couple of blues, like a cerulean and an ultramarine, and I've got an orange which I quite like, especially for scenes like this, to rub across there. What's up with you, eh? You ready to go on, are you? Are you looking at squirrels? Where's those squirrels? Where's the squirrels? And I've got, yeah, I've got a white. There we are, look. There's my white. Nice big lump of white. And my credit card for scraping back. And a couple of these graphite sticks. And see if I can draw using that edge. Just hold the graphite stick like that and just draw them straight down to get these thicker marks, and obviously with the point I can scratch through and get the branches and things. So yeah, that's that one. So that's how I start my little stick sketches. Just a quick, isn't that right, Basil? Yes. Just a quick laying in of colours. Just get something down as quick as possible. Roughly sort of colours I know I'm going to be able to work on top of. And that's how I build them up to start with. That's just how it starts, like that, and just work into them as I go. A lot of people ask what colours I use. Basically primaries with orange and yellow ochre added in. I'll go through them quickly. That's a white, got a cool red and a warmer red, 3 blues, that's like an ultramarine, cobalt and like a cerulean type blue, yellow ochre, orange. I've got 3 yellows, that's the warm one, like a cadmium yellow, and I've got 2 cooler ones. This is a nice zingy one and a very pale lemon yellow, and there's a couple of blacks there which I never use. You can see they've formed a skin on there, but they're there just in case. And that's it. And it's just my credit card and my graphite stick, and that's it. It's a very simple setup. That's what we've done today, just with that setup and a graphite stick. I'm just going to put the date on, and that's it for today. I think let's check the date. We are the 10th of February today. And this is sort of between High Nanslow and Lower Nanslow, so I'm just going to put Nanslow fields, and it is around 9:30, and yeah, that's quite pleasant, quite good fun. And the sun's just come through now, come across the top of the hill, look, up there, and is lighting up these areas here, which is quite nice. And that's it for today. Where you been, eh? What have you been up to? Eh? What have you been up to? Eh? Time to go. Right, it's the Eden project there, looking through these trees. I've managed to find a nice quiet spot up here. Nobody around, it's great, got my oil sticks out and the sketchbook while family are looking around the biomes, just the way I like it. And it's 14th of Feb, look, and it's been a lovely day. I wanted to get the difference between the glow, nice warm glow there at the back, and these cool areas at the front here, and the biomes just happen to be there, a nice little bit of feature in the middle there without any details in there. Great, good fun. So I think we're going to stop here and have a quick sketch of this Trenwell mill here. I really like it, and it's incredibly mild today for February, middle of February, and he doesn't even need his coat on down there. It's that mild. And there's my bag with a variety of colours which I've listed on previous video. So that's my little sketch from this morning of Trenwell Mill over there. Quite hard to say, just after you've had your breakfast. And yeah, oil sticks and a graphite stick. And you can see there's some marks come through from a previous sketch and left indentations where the oil sticks haven't gone into, which that's quite nice actually. I quite like that. That's the mill with its broken downpipe. 16th of Feb. Yeah, it's quite nice, good fun. I didn't think I'd be able to get so much done today because it started drizzling earlier, but it has stopped fortunately. Yeah, so there's those indentations from the previous sketch, and this here is this is the mill, and in here there's a little building. There's a little shed that I've drawn before, and it's just in there. Obviously I've just sketched it in quickly there, and I've drawn this mill from the other side, looking from the shed up to where I am standing now. So a couple of nice charcoal drawings I've done, and they've been exhibited in the in Mall galleries in London. So yeah, great, good fun. Coffee time. Alright, dank cold drizzly day today. So we're going to try a little sketch with a bit of charcoal, looking down this track here towards Nanswidden Farm, which I've been drawing lately. Right, so we managed to do this quick charcoal and graphite sketch in the drizzle. I'm just in quite a nice little sheltered spot here behind this hedge. Basil's gone out to have a little look around, see, make sure nothing's coming up behind me, which is quite good. While I've been sketching, so yeah, he does his job. And that's what we've done of this track. You can see the track there, sort of some water puddles, muddy puddles and things. Cows have just come into view. They weren't there a minute ago, they just sort of wandered into the field. And as you can see where the sort of rain's got into it a little bit, the drizzle, and wetted it, so I've used a water soluble graphite pencil on top of the charcoal. And yeah, worked quite well. Nice, good fun. Right, so I've got one page left in this sketchbook. I think I'm going to sketch this scene here and try using the oil sticks for the last time for a little while, and we'll move on to something else with a new sketchbook. 18th of Feb. And we're in a field somewhere near Godolphin. Near Godolphin. It's about 10 AM, something like that. So there we are, that's that one. I quite like these telegraph poles, the phone lines running through the landscape there, and these sort of hills, this wooded area in the distance. So I used a lot of more blue in there, blue greys and reds in here to bring this forward. And obviously the puddle, muddy puddle reflecting the sky, I quite like that in the landscape. Well, thanks for watching that video. That's today's just all finished now. Hope you enjoyed that look through the last couple of weeks of what I've been up to out and about on location. And as always, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Not sure what the next video is going to be about yet, but I'll be out sketching anyway, so 2 or 3 weeks time we'll catch up and see what I've been up to. But yeah, thanks for watching, and bye for now. Come on, it's not that big a hill, is it? Eh?